SiteCapture's Containers feature allows you to organize all of your work for one site efficiently and provide an easy-to-access history of all work being done at that site. Important information about a site can be managed at the container level and copied down to attached work, ensuring critical data is free of errors. Managing that critical information at the container level also helps reduce the need to re-enter information many times. A container project, in this example a site, has been created and all work being done at that site is conveniently attached to the container, allowing for historical tracking. You can see here that the different types of work being done at the site show up here, and within each type, you can see the various projects that have been created and attached to the site. Containers can be named anything you would like. For example, they can be job sites, properties, customers, or in this example, sites. Accessing information for a container is as simple as clicking the Containers tab at the top, and all of your container work will appear in your project list view. Just as you do with work, you can set up unique save views to organize your sites or container projects. You can create new container projects by clicking the green button. You can also create new container projects by importing them with a CSV file or through an integration. With SiteCapture's Containers feature, you will have a template that is used as your container template. You will use that template to create container projects from. You can set up this template to include whatever information is relevant for your site, property, job site, customer, or whatever your container project may be called. You can see in this example that we have some overview information like address, access information, and utility provider, but you can edit your template to include whatever information is relevant for you. With simple template configurations inside SiteCapture, information from this container can seamlessly flow from the container into the attached work. When you click on a type of work and click the green button to create a new project, you'll see that through the template configurations, we've set up certain fields to copy down from the container to the attached work. This helps ensure the integrity of critical data, saving time and reducing errors. While you can't see or create containers on the SiteCapture mobile app, your mobile users can be allowed to attach work to containers on mobile. When they are creating work by pressing on the plus sign and selecting the type of work, when they press next, they'll be able to search for the container, in this case, the site. They can type in information like the address and search for it. They'll select the container by pressing on it and click Create. This will create the new work attached to that container. Back on the web app, you can see that work that was created by the user here attached to the container. When you have containers set up, you will see your container tab at the top, in this case sites, but you'll also still have your work tab, where you can see all of the work that you've created in your SiteCapture account. If you're interested in learning more about SiteCapture's Containers feature, or to see if it's included in your current SiteCapture subscription, please email us at success@sitecapture.com.